Hello student. In this video I'll cover top 50 logical reasoning question for LTI Mindtree exam. So let's start the class. And that's this one first question. So first read the question carefully. So question actually have some condition and special rule. And you need to read the case and answer the question. So case is Ravi is 22-year-old. So first option, candidate must be at least 21 year. So that is satisfied. The second, score 58% graduation. Must have 60%. That's condition become false. But special rule, if candidate has less than 60%, so less than 60%, score 90 percentile in GATE. So yes, score 92% GATE. So case to be referred to technical head and no academic gap. So the answer is case referred to technical head. So first question answer. Moving to the next one. I have already uploaded Mindtree PYQ question solving video. Please watch. Now, you can read first four condition and some special rule. And you need to read the case. Sunil is 19-year old. So age must be 18 to 50 condition satisfied. First condition. Then play 20 match. Must be play at least 50 official match? Yes. Own 3 match. Must be own at least 5. Condition false. So condition 3 actually false. If condition 3 is not met, but the player has a best player, certified as a best player, yes. In college national, uh, and this goes to coach review. So must be coach review. The answer. Or if condition 1 is not met, condition me 80 to 50 actually condition meet. So answer it goes to coach review. Moving to the next one. And this question actually sitting arrangement question. So you have 6 people. One, two, three, four, five, 6. S and Z are in the center. So center SZ can be here or ZS can be here. You have two possibility. AP at the end. So A can be here or can be here and P can be here or can be here. So you have two possibility. A are sitting to the left of A. Now if A here, so must be not the action. By default take all at sitting facing toward north. So this one right and this part actually left. So R is the sitting left of A. If you put here A, the right part, left part, this is possible, not possible. As this one extreme end. So A must be here, and R must be here, and P must be here as P the ends, and only one value left that is X. So who is the right of P? P के right में कौन सा है? X. So the answer X. Now question 3. Ramesh introduced, that is actually blood relation question. Ramesh introduced Suresh. तो रामेश सुरेश को इंट्रोड्यूस किया. ही इज द सन ऑफ माई ग्रैंडफादर सन. तो पहले देखो ग्रैंडफादर, बोले ग्रैंडफादर, फिर उसके बाद ही इज द सन ऑफ माई ग्रैंडफादर ओनली सन. तो उसका ग्रैंडफादर का जो सन है उसका भी सन, तो दैट इज ब्रदर, द सन ऑफ सन. तो ही एक्चुअली पॉइंटिंग टू हिज ब्रदर आंसर. Read carefully. He is the son of my grandfather only son. तो उसका ग्रैंडफादर का जो सन है उसका भी सन, तो दैट इज ब्रदर. नाउ next one, coding decoding. Result you can see R S F T V M U. This one actually logic plus one. R S E F S T U V U V L M T U. So L should be M. So L means M and O means P and G H. So which one? And I should be J and C D. So this one option, that is answer. Moving to the next one. Now symbol. So plus means greater than. So A plus B means A greater than B and B equal to C. If B equal to C, then I can say A greater than also C. So A greater than C, yes. Condition true. A equal to C, not possible. So only one conclusion follow. Moving to the next one. and that is actually sitting arrangement and circular. No, not circular, raw. Sitting in a row facing north and 2 4 6 people. 6. Now P is the fourth from the left. Left say fourth. 1 2 3 4. Here actually P from the left. As north part sitting face actually facing to the north. So this one right and that is left part. And Q is immediate right of P. Immediate right means this one. R is the extreme end. R can be here or here. You have two possibility. Either here or here. S sit between T and U. So S क्या होगा? S T U. So there is three. If you take R here, then you can put S and T U, or you can put like U S T. It's also between. U is not adjacent of R. U तुम्हारा adjacent R नहीं होना चाहिए. तो R यहाँ पे होगा. तो who is the sitting the extreme right hand? So R. The extreme right hand R. And the extreme left hand you can't define either T either U. You have two possibility. But the question right hand. So that is R. Move on to the next one. So salary 30,000 is between that is condition and specify rule, and you need to take decision based on the rule. So Ajay earn 28,000. Salary greater than 30,000 not. First condition false. If salary less than 30,000 but civil score greater than 800, civil is greater than 800, yes. So refer to senior manager. And the age must be 25, 21 to 25 and not default history. Yes. So the case actually refer to senior manager. And now this one. This one you will have question and you have two statement. I need to check actually this one question for data sufficient question. So ये जो data statement 1 statement 2 both are sufficient to answer along sufficient this one along or both are together sufficient or not to answer this question. So you need to answer like statement 1 along is sufficient or statement 2. So always first read the question properly and understand. So 1 hour meeting. So 4 meeting है design QA dev review are scheduled consecutively starting from 10 am. So 1 2 3 4 meeting. Okay, if I given only one statement, can you predict the dev timing? First statement what say? QA ends at 12 pm. पहले मैं सोच रहा 10 फिर 11 फिर 12 फिर 1. तो QA ended 12. इसको 12 में ended हुआ. Okay, 12 pm. But and was immediately preceded by design. तो इसका पहले का design था. Now you can't predict dev meeting. ये design हुआ तो dev can be here or dev can be here. Can you predict? No. Using one statement. And now I'm including statement 2. Review was the last. If review is the last and design and Q&A is the middle, the dev must be first. Then you can predict. You can predict the output using two statement. Single two also you can't predict. If you take only statement 2, like review last, so you can't order rest of the things using only one. So you need to take both statement to answer. So both statement together are sufficient. Now next question. P at the rate Q. P at the Q means greater than P greater than Q. And this one means less than Q less than R. Less than or equal to Q less than equal to R. Got it? And at the rate symbol dollar symbol equal to. So R equal to S. R equal to S. So you can say S greater than equal to Q. And P greater than S. Can you say P greater than Q here? And actually Q less than equal to R. You can't say this one. And Q less than equal to S. Yes, Q less than equal to S you can say, as R less than equal to R, so Q less than equal to S you can say. So the answer only one conclusion follow, not only two, only conclusion two. Moving to the next question, and that is direction test. A courier start from a hub. First always take from the origin point and above direction north, below south, east, and this one west. A courier start from hub, travel 6 km. 6 km travel toward the east. Okay, east. then 4 km south, 4, then 3 km west, 3, and then he turn left. Let's mean अगर तुमने यहाँ पे खड़ा let's mean this south, this part. So 4 km, 4 km, and then finally turn right, right. So right this part. So finally turn right 2 km. So here actually 2 km. Now how far and which direction from the hub? I have done properly na. First एक कुरिया start from a hub, travel 6 km east. Okay, 6 km travel कर लिया, and then 4 km south, 4 km south, and then 3 km west, 3 km west, and then he turn left, left में turn किया तो 4 km आ गया, तो actually south, and he finally turn right, right हो गया, हाँ right 2 km, it should be 3 km, not 2 km, it is 3 km, so it will be better. So here actually south, and distance actually 4 and plus 4, total this distance actually 4 plus 4 8. So 8 km distance. The answer is not correct. Actually it should be 8 km one answer. Okay. 8 km south. Moving to the next one as a sitting arrangement. So 5 people or 5 person. A, B, C, D are sitting on a bench. A sitting next to B means B then A, or can be A B. And C is sitting next to D. So can be DC or CD. D is not sitting with E. Who is the left end? So E actually left end. And here D not possible. So D only possible in this three value. Got it? Now C is the second position from the right. Right first, second. So C here. D can be here or here. Only one possibility. Now A is the right of B. तो अगर right B होगा तो A यहाँ पे, तो B can be here and right here, and A also right of E and D here. Now which position A is sitting? First, second, third. So third from the left, or you can say center. Both from the center. Moving to the next one. So this question, based on the statement, you need to check which conclusion follow. You can't assume anything yourself. So many IT companies are shifting their focus to AI and automation to reduce manpower cost. And the IT company want to reduce dependence on human labor, yes. But automation is cheaper than human power? No. We have not mentioned. To reduce manpower cost does not mean cheaper. Okay. So यहाँ पे this one not follow. Only follow this one. You can't assume anything yourself. तो स्टेटमेंट जो बोला है अच्छे से वही को उसको पढ़ो, उसको समझो. बाहर से कुछ भी assume मत करना. So next question, 14 number question. And solving this question, you should know alphabet with number. Means every alphabet like A1, Z26, you should remember this table. So first cat, C, I'm writing C, A, T. So C value actually 3 and A actually first value and T 20. If we add it, it will become 24. But here actually 42. You can directly set the reverse. And again the maths. First addition. So what actually I have done? First addition. पहले added किया, then reverse of the addition on the number. So math पहले 13m and a कितना था 1, t 20, a is 8. So if we add it, it will become 42. If you do reverse, it will become 24. So your answer 24. Moving to the next one question. And solve this question, you only take this statement. Don't assume anything outside of the statement. So what a statement says, the government has increased tax on luxury items to control inflation. The government want to displace, no. The increase in tax is one of the method to control, yes, control inflation. So that is conclusion to follow. Only two. So not here actually not mentioned discuss. Okay, discourages. Next question city. In certain word computer, COMPUTER, written as PMOCRETU. Now if you first analyze this P here, this M here, this O here, and C becomes here. Word by word revise. Take first forward and reverse, it will become here. Then take this forward and reverse, it will become here. So first take this forward and reverse I C E D. The next one and reverse R E H P. So done. Move on to the next question. Now this one B R I C K. It will become D Q K B M. So D and B difference between plus 2. R and Q difference is actually minus 1. K and K, I and K plus 2. And this one minus 1 plus 2. So the rules actually plus 2 minus 1. So that is the logic. So plus 2 S U V. Only one option you can directly answer this. Now next 682. Now if you do 6 8 and 6 5 7, if you minus difference, so it is actually 1 1 1. So 432, we minus 432 to 1 1 1, so actually 3 2 1. So that is answer. Next, like 1 3 5 and it's become 2 4 6. It's actually added 1 1 1. So 5 7 9, 5 7 9. If we added 1 1 1, it is 0 7 8. Okay, don't take is 9. So it is actually increasing each digit. Like 1 3 5, it is plus 1 with each digit. Like 5 7 9. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So actually 0 and 1 plus 8. I know 1 plus 9 actually 10, but don't take the 1. And 1 plus 5 actually 6. Now in certain language, Haryana written. So first Haryana is Haryana. So written as 8 1. So first take age number actually 8, A actually 1, alphabet, R actually 19. If you check R 18, sorry, not 19, R actually 18, and the Y 25, and A is 1, and N actually N how much 14, and A 1. Now if you check the number 8 8 1 1, that 9, but here actually 1 8. If you do 1 plus 8, it's become 9. Then 7. If you do 2 plus 5, it's 7. Then 1 1. Then 14. But here 5. 1 plus 4 actually 5. Then 1 1. You got the logic. Just convert into number if two digits just added. So Delhi DELHI, like 1, no sorry 4, and 5, and L actually 12. So 12 means 1 plus 2, it's become 3. H 8 and I 9. The answer 5489. 54389. Now, Tina, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Now, in which year Rahul was born? And you have two statements, and you need to predict both statement, like statement one along to sufficient, or statement two, or you need both statement. The first statement Rahul present means take 2025. Is 25 year younger to his mother? If mother X, the Rahul must be X minus 25. But you can't answer only following this question, following this statement. So now moving to the next statement. Rahul brother who was born 1964 and time is 2025. The age actually, if we do 56, not 56, 25 plus 30 plus 6. So 161. So current age actually 61 if we do. And who was born 1965, 35 year younger to mother. This the mother age must be plus 35. So how much? 96. And then Rahul is Rahul. So 96 minus 25. So it's become actually 1 and 7. So 71. So you need both statement to predict. So actually answer both I and 2, or 1 and 2. Sufficient to answer this question. Moving to the next one. How much total sale of the company? The company sold 800 unit 8,000. Of each costing 25. So total sale you can predict, but here actually not mention company had other product. A company can be had so many product. The company is 800 unit product. Each costing 25. Only one answer not sufficient. This company has no other product line. So you need both statement to calculate total sale because only one product have here actually mentioned. Move on to the next one. Actually, base written as BASC, written as GUCD. But if you do directly, it will not like E and G, S and U, A and C, and B and D plus 1. If you do reverse base, it will become E S A B. And then if you do plus 1, so E minus 1, E become no, plus 1, E become G, S become U, A become S, wait, S R S T U. So plus 2, sorry. So E A G. So actually plus 2 and then plus 2 and then plus 2. So it becomes C and then plus 2, it's become D. So first reverse. So if you do reverse command, it will become D N A M M and O C and then plus 2. D plus 2 means F and M plus 2 N M O, sorry, M N O P. So P. So you have answer FP only one option. So select this one. Move on to the next one. In a certain code, syrup. So you have one C R. I'm taking here. Writing here can be possible. Just 1 minute. I'm erasing. So S R Y R U P syrup. So S actually the number alphabetic number is actually 19. So write 19. Okay. And Y 25. Y 25. So write 25. And R actually 18. You should remember all the alphabet 18. And U 21 and P actually 16. But it is written OTXR. So I'm increasing more. OTSXR. O actually number 15. So 15 to 19 actually plus 4. And T. If you do T. So Y and T. T actually 20. Now T20. So it is actually plus 5. Plus 4 then plus 5. Now 18 and S actually 19. Then plus 1. Plus 4 plus 5 then plus 1, then 20 and x actually 24. So 21 and 24, u actually 21 24, then plus 3 and then p actually 16 and r 18, then plus 2. So your logic plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 3. So apply this one. First do plus 4, then plus 5, then plus 1, then plus 3, then plus 2. 3 6. Maybe you can you check if you have any logic. I'm not able to find actual logic for this one. SIRUP. They have 5 letter, but you can predict like here 19, here 15. Actually, this one plus 4 and then plus 5. So it is increasing one. Then this one and plus 4, actually 4, then actually it become 3, then plus 2, plus 3, plus 2. It is decreasing. So now should be like minus 1 next logic plus 1 scan. You can try actually decreasing. Now next 36, 34, 30, 28 and 24. What should come next? 34 से 34 कैसे आया? Minus 4 and this minus 4. Okay. नहीं पहले minus 2, sorry, minus 2 then minus 4 then minus 2 then minus 4 then minus 2. So it must be 22. So that's the logic. First minus 2 then minus 4. So the answer 22. And you try yourself this one and write in the comment. So if you have any doubt till now you can ask. So let's see in the next lecture.